Thanks, Annie. So what should I do?
Whip the eggs.
I learned a new technique of, I don't know, my voice is audible. I learned a new technique. I learned a new technique of cracking eggs. It's so much fun. Take the egg from, you take it like this horizontally and drop it, and nothing spills here, but you get just the right crack, and you can split it open. So you take it about 1.5 inches on its side. It's the fastest way to split an egg.
Is it?
Oh shit, this one.
Wait, I need to show this. Fastest way to split an egg, and this is where the egg got split. On the floor. It's called male pride. Male chef pride. We women have been doing it for aeons.
I learned it from, oh,
No, you didn't.
no, I
We
didn't.
don't make things so complicated.
What? This is from,
Look, that's all you have to do. See? Yeah.
one second.
How many shells have you got inside it?
Too many. This is not good to be captured on camera.
Why not? People need to be entertained. All you have to do is this. One slit.
I know.
That's it.
This is what I've been doing since childhood. I wanted to try the new thing. And so, I've observed many times that when I make breakfast for myself, even if I really enjoy and focus making it, I will sit down to eat. Then Janam and Gesu will, and I've spent like a good 20-30 minutes making something that I feel is very delicious. And I'm just about to enjoy it. Okay. She gets up. In 2 minutes, she makes her egg, and that looks tastier and is tastier than mine. And this has happened consistently. And so now, even though technically I should be making breakfast, I have roped her in.
I'm sacrificing my Sunday morning silence.
Because
Sunday is when we don't get any, when help doesn't come, staff doesn't come, so it's an off for them, and we love it that way. The silence is incredible. And by silence, I don't mean to say absence of noise. Once a seeker asked me, what is, everything is quiet around my house. It's quite silent. Why am I not meditating better? And I said, well, silence isn't absence of noise. See, when you go to Europe, you don't hear much. When you go outside the city, there's absence of noise. But that absence of noise isn't silence. Silence in its most potent form is a portal that transports you into another dimensions. And that's why silence is such a crucial factor for creative people, for spiritual people. If they don't get their daily dose of silence, they sort of become mad. I can vouch for that. And me too. So, silence is a portal. Use it as a portal. It's a beautiful portal. It sends you whirling into different dimensions. And in those different dimensions, you come across your own higher self, your own different dimensions, your own higher possibilities, your own higher dreams, your own higher visions, your own higher perception, and you and there is no difficulty in perceiving. You just perceive everything that is beyond this touch, see, hear, feel kind of world. And it's an incredible experience. If you get used to it on an everyday basis, you will live a very dynamic, very vibrant life inside of you, and your emotional health will improve a lot. And nobody outside has to know that this is how much fun you're having. Okay, I need this. Silence is also a very powerful way of rejuvenating your soul all the way to your body. And we all need it. Everyone needs it. We need silence. This is the reason why we have become an increasingly restless um, species with a lot of growing mental health issues despite so many modern facilities we have. It's because we are not getting our dose of silence, not absence of noise, but silence. In the old world, the indigenous world, our communities, the way we lived, the way our roads were designed, the way nature was integrated into our everyday life, these portals of silence were embedded everywhere. And so you entered a temple, you went into that portal. You entered a cowshed, you went into that portal. You just were walking on the street, you entered that portal. We had a billion times more silence portals embedded in our everyday life just about 50 years ago, until 50 years ago. And they have been destroyed greatly. And our cities have become portals of dissonance. And dissonance is what creates dissonance in us. And that's why we have become increasingly sick mentally and physically, despite so many facilities and so many advancements in the modern world. So, this is the reason why people need to get up and go for a meditation camp, because there is um, some amount of silence that you experience there out of discipline. But silence, absence of noise, no, silence, the portals that silence opens up, they should be available in your everyday life, every day. And they should be available as much as possible in your everyday life. You have to learn to cultivate these. You have to learn to design them. You have to learn to create them. You have to learn to install them in your everyday life, in your home, in your lifestyle. Especially if you are a creative person, and especially if you are a visionary, if you think out of the box, if you are restless, if you like to defy conformity, if you are an intelligent person, both intellectually and intuitively, then these portals of silence are very important for you. We cultivate them. I cultivate them at our home continuously. They run out because people come, students come, clients come, staff comes, neighbors come. and the portal hides. Then every morning, evening, through different techniques, I bring out these portals and install them back into the living energy, space, physical place, and the spatial reality that we live in.
That's
Silence.
beautiful way to put it.